Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm so grateful for those who watch my videos. The last two videos got about 7 views. Still grateful. Hopefully we can get this video to 10 views. I'm doing it in small increments, don't judge me. Please remember to like and leave a comment and subscribe. Now this will be the markup for next week. As you know, the pairs that I highlight in red are the pairs that I'm currently looking at. Now if you guys watch my previous video, you've seen that majority of the time my predictions do come through. Trades that I only post trades that I do take on here. Now, I've been focusing on US30 for the last couple of weeks because of the structure. However, if you were paying attention to my goal, you would have made a lot of money last week as well. Let me just start off with gold because my last video was mainly on US30. Now, I normally start my markups during the 1 week. Now, as you guys can see, the market is now in a downtrend because the market has hit its peak right here. It did not break. It closed below this low right here, so the market is now going down to retest this area, and that's my prediction at least for the weekly. Now, let's go to the 1 day. Basically, market has now gone into this downtrend. Head and shoulders pattern right here. That's the reason for the blue line. If you guys can see, shoulder, shoulder, head. Now what I am looking for now this week was, as I believe I've been telling you guys this, that the market has been flirting with this zone, but I had this blue line right here to show you guys that, hey, this is a head and shoulder. This is a pot. This is an area of liquidity right here where we're looking for actual reversals. Now, if I was to begin taking a trade, I told you guys that I would wait for the correction up to here, and I would say I would put a stop I would enter on this trend line right here, and my stop loss would be right above this high right here. Alright, I know this is a pretty wide gap. I normally use one standard lot. However, so I would wait to see the candle right here on the trend line, but I don't think it will pass. Sorry, too many screens open. Alright, fine. So I'm looking for the market to come up to this right here and take a drastic reversal, come back down, because as I said, we are in a downtrend, as you can see during the channel. That's just my prediction for gold. Now, let's move on to US30. Alright, so forgive my ugly chart. I've been trying to mark up some stuff. Forgive my indicators as well, because I don't really use them unless I'm doing binary options. However, I've been just looking at the channels, seeing how the market has been going, and I love the fact how US30 is moving right now. It's following structure to the T. It's very simple, basic break and retest strategy. As you guys can see, we're in a downtrend. We move out of the trend, came back up, retest this area right here, which is an area of support, as you guys can see, because it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Had a break to the upside, came back for the retest, and now we're on our way back up to the area of 35041. That's my prediction for this trade. It's gonna go all the way up here. Now, moving to the 4 hour. As you can see, there were numerous support and resistance zones that the market was looking to, and I kind of just went in, I just marked up what I saw at first. So I was looking at this zone right here, key area right here, came back down, head and shoulders again, 2 shoulders, 3rd shoulder right here, all the way back up. We had multiple resistance in this zone right here, because as you can see, this was also an area of resistance, which now became an area of support because we broke above this line, came back up for a retest, realized that because we did not come back down in this zone right here, we broke this line, realized that the downtrend has ended, so we can go ahead and remove these lines because they no longer matter. Normally I would let it stay on, but I just wanted to show you guys the visual representation. Now, I predicted that we're gonna come right here, and we're gonna have a break right up in this box right here. And if you see these zones right here, These are the only places I take trades. Like if it doesn't hit my zone, I'm definitely not gonna take it. Now, this is kind of an ascending channel. As you can see, market has been respective of the trend line, respective. I do predict that it can come down here. However, this Friday, I don't think it's going to do that because it's going to respect my zone, which is right here. So it broke out this zone, and this is the retest to come back up to the upside. So that's currently my prediction right now for US30. As you can see, it has been giving me the indication. So I will be taking this trade. However, I was waiting for the lowest possible entry, which is here. So of course, one standard lot, you know, and massive potential to the upside. As you can see, the reward is $3,207 because I always use one standard lot on US30, and my risk is just $422. If you want to know how to calculate your risk and your reward on US30, they go by points. So if you're doing pips, this is a 42 pip, 32 pip. But if you want to calculate, say, how much money you're going to make, right? You use the points. So you use their standard lot size times the amount of points. So if from here to here is 3,207 points. So that would be simply 1 times 3,207. Of course, you know that's 3,200 because you're using one standard lot. If you're using 0.05, that's 3207 times 0.05. See, and that's how you get your answer right there. Now, reason why I would take this buy right now, well, I wouldn't take it right now because it's a Friday. I would wait to see how the market opens on Sunday, and then I would enter on Monday based on area of liquidity. Because right now, as you can see, we're in this zone right now. It has respected it before. It has break and retest and came up all the way up to this zone. However, as you guys can see, it has been respecting this trend line. So it came up to this zone, came back down to this zone, and we see a pin bar right here. Pin bars are cased, and then we see an engulfing right here. So we know that that's two indications that the market is definitely going up. It didn't come down to this trend line. It could come down to here, but I highly doubt it because it gave us two signals to say that it's going up. It's in the zone, pin bar, bullish engulfing. So area of support right now. So I think that's more than enough evidence to say that, hey, we can successfully say that it's going up. If you look on the 4-hour chart, you can see that it rejected. It came down here, and that's why I always wait until the 4-hour close before I get in, because you never know. It could come all the way down here and give us this strong wick back up to the upside, as this is what it did. See, it broke through here, but it didn't close. I always look for the body of the candle. I don't watch the wicks. So I wait for the close, and it closes in my zone. I know for a fact that, hey, that next candle is going to go up to the upside. So as I said, guys, just keep watching out. Oh, there's also another spicy trade that I saw that I'm going to show you guys. It's GBPUSD. Last week we had some problem with GBPUSD because it was giving us a bunch of crap. It was supposed to break, took its own sweet time, came back to this zone, tested, came back up, gave us this mini head and shoulders right here, down, broke in this retest area. So this is a perfect area right now to take a trade. I would enter this trade right now if I were you. But as I said, it's Friday. I don't take trades on Friday. So I'm going to wait and see how market opens on Sunday. And then on Monday, I will begin to take trades. Now, giving you a breakdown of this, how I came by this brilliant trade is, I'm going to give you the weekly analysis first. As you guys can see, we're in a slight uptrend. Market is just doing a little correction. And it's come down, gave us a tweezer top, came down on the weekly. So my prediction is it's gonna come all the way down to here. Now, if you should move down to the daily, I hate this internet. move down to the daily, you can see that market came down, head and shoulders pattern again, rejected, came down, rejected, came back down, bounced up, gave us the breakthrough right here, and we know that from this point it's just sell city. Came down to this area right here of support, played around with us, and this break. So I do believe the trend is going to end somewhere right here, and then we're going to just be taking buys all the way back up to here. If it doesn't end right here and we get a break of this line, we're looking to take it all the way down here. That's a big drop, but I highly doubt it because the trend is overall is bullish. So yeah, now go down to the 4 hour. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So you see, I keep marking my zones where I know that that's an area of interest for me. So that's the reason for these zones. If I don't see it, I'm not taking it. And it gave us a break of that massive trend line. I mean, massive support right here. Because how I know it's support? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. Break. Retest. It didn't break above. That's a strong indication that that's a support zone for me. Now, if I was looking to enter, I would take it all the way down to here, which would be, let me move down to the 15-minute. Which would be anywhere between here and here. So, why's my screen like this? Oh, I get it. My bad, people. My bad. Yeah, so it would be anywhere between here and here. So that would be targets 87 pips, risk 41. So just a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's just it for me, guys. Let's see if I was looking at some other stuff too, but this USD JPY was looking a little bit groggy to me. But I see that we've now begun to break above this previous high right here. But what I would be looking for is a clear break on the 4 hour. So I will be looking for a clear break and then the retest before I would even think to take this trade all the way up to the upside. With, of course, my stop loss being all the way right here, which would be a... Wait. Which would be a 30 pip stop. So it'd be a 4-point trade. So I'll be looking to take it all the way up to here. 148.899 level. But let's see what the market is giving us. Because the last time we came up here, we had a massive rejection back to the downside. But, you know, that's how USJPY markets be. As you can see, it does that sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me, guys. Market analysis for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.